Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is totally different from my niche. Today I am going to share the unboxing of my MacBook Pro. I was using my iPad and iPhone, and for my social media needs they were enough. Since I started YouTubing seriously, editing was becoming difficult on my phone, so I decided to buy a laptop. I ordered this from Apple online store. It was recently launched in India and we didn't have to go out to buy it in this pandemic situation. Apple products are really great in packaging. It is so satisfying to open an Apple product. I slowly ripped the box to open this beautiful box. I was so excited to open it up. Almost a month of waiting was over and I got this beautiful laptop in my hands. It looks so sleek and elegant in space grey color, isn't it? After opening it up and unboxing it, I handed it over to my husband to set it up. I found out that it's so easy to set it up. It automatically starts up when you lift the lid. And after that we did the initial setup. I will tell you the specifications of this MacBook Pro. This laptop is 16 inches with 32 GB RAM, 1 TB storage. I also got Final Cut Pro for the video editing, and it has 2 graphic cards. I was so excited to check out the Final Cut Pro. I hope I will learn it fast and do amazing editing in my videos.